Morning, morning. Isabel Trail Parkrun this morning. It's for our I, for our alphabet. You'll see in the background there that we've got Stafford Rugby Union ground. Rugby ground. Anyway, it's parking there in quite a big car park. And I did just see a train going past in the background. So definitely a train in Stafford, railway line in Stafford. So you can catch trains, and then presumably there are buses that come to the actual start itself at Stafford Rugby Union Football Club. There we go, Rugby Union Football Club, that's the words I was looking for. Yeah, let's see what this one is like. We stayed in the campsite the night before over in Cannock Chase, and I will be doing a separate video for that one, because a quick tour of the quite basic campsite. Lots of cars coming to Isabel Trail Parkrun. Hair's like, I don't know, very dishevelled for you all today. As I say, we stayed in a campsite yesterday with zero facilities, zero. Apart from the bin. That's what we liked, so it was good. Bit of a chilly morning this morning. As I said, Isabel Trail Parkrun. The Easter Bunny. Not much to tell about this parkrun really. It's in Stafford. It's 2.5 kilometres back in the other direction, and then turn around and come back again. And there you have it, one of these old railway lines. So nice and simple. Understand it's on a bit of gravelly track to start off with, and then you go straight onto tarmac after that. So it should be a relatively swift one as well. When I say gravelly track, that's what I mean, the cinder trail stuff as I call it. And then after a while onto tarmac, but we shall see as we go along. And we are off. Thank you, Marshall. you, Marshall. Two kilometres. Two kilometres by the watch anyway. 2 kilometres there. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Marshall. Okay, 3 kilometres. Not quite by the watch this time. There, 3 kilometres by the watch.
Well done.
Thank you, Sarah Walker. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Marshall. Four kilometres. Had early this time. On the watch. According to the track. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Marshall. There's the train.
Like stop.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And we are done. In. Position 213.
So a lot of people have to travel for this, don't they?
Thank you very much.
That's okay. Is there any way of making it a bit bigger?
Oh, sorry, yeah, there we go.
Okay. That's it, that's lovely.
We came from Durham, so yeah, quite
Well
a travel.
done.
It is en route down south though, so.
Oh, well done.
Thank you very much, take care.
Parkrun had already started, that's why I was at the back. Yeah, I do.
And that is our Parkrun done. One more to go, Z, which we're doing in June, I think, at Cedar Park in The Hague. As you can see, straightforward out and back. If you position yourself properly, there's definitely PB potential, but you do need to position yourself properly. I think my time was just over 32 minutes, but I don't really post my time here for the purposes of these videos, so it's just so you can see what these parkruns are like. Thank you for watching.